guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel at Maripal Nandini Art and Craft. Today I am back with one more tutorial. So today in my new video I am going to show you how to make DIY Sisters Day gift idea. So let's begin with the procedure, but before starting don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, and please hit a bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my upcoming videos. So let's begin with the process. So for making this gift we need here a matchstick box, and you can take your old matchstick box which is empty and this size of paper, and I have measured the size same as the matchstick box. Take here ruler and pencil, and now just mark here, then like this, keep and just mark here. Now just using your ruler increase the lines. Now same follow the process from this one line, just mark here again the mark. Now just keep it like this again, and now just increase this line using ruler, and using ruler mark the dents. Now here, now just using your hands and fingers press it tightly, and after that put the box here at the end of the line, and just using your pencil keep it like this and mark the end point, and just increase the line using ruler. Now just cut the end part using scissor. Now let's begin to the second step. For the second step you require the same things and Fevicol or glue. Now just keep the matchstick box in the center like this, and now add glue to this portion. Now just stick it and just add glue to this one portion, the center one dent.
This is my last video of this month.
And stick it. Now add glue on this one part like this, and just stick this one portion, and see like this. Now you remove its inside one box. See, now it will look like this. Now let's begin and move to the third step. Now for the third step, you are required with here the kite paper, and see the quality of the paper is so good, and I am using here. Now just fold this paper into half like this as I am showing, and now just press it here like this. Now using hot glue gun, add little glue here and hold it carefully and stick this one portion. Now just add little glue here to the second top and just stick this. Now see, form its skirt shape as I have done, like this. After that, take here the glitter foam sheet of red color and just take the length of the same size as it's. Now just take the pencil and mark here the U shape of the neck and cut it out. After that, using glue, stick it. Add little glue and just flap it on the back like this. After that, take here that paper kite skirt and just add glue to the back of it and add little glue on the base and just stick it. See, it will look like this. After that, remove the inside one box from this outer box, and now we will make it decorate. So take here any paper and just mark here line and here also. Now just using ruler, increase the lines or dents and using scissor cut it out. Now just take here any two color pens. Now write here something as I am showing.
Jurassic Park.
And now make small hearts using this pink one, color pen or sketch pen. Now take the inside one box and just stick this. On the bottom. After that, take here any color ribbon and just stick it on this. Turn back and just add little glue here. using scissor. Cut the extra. See, it will look like this after sticking the ribbon. After that, take any spring one pen and just remove the spring from the pen, and now just using hot glue gun, take one heart shaped cutout and stick the spring on the heart like this. Now add little glue on the bottom of this box. And stick the third spring.
उससे कर लेना बाहर पेन से, उसे बाहर कर ले। मतलब बॉटम में तो आती है, अब आगे कर रही है। अब बस का नहीं है थे।
See, now here I have added one bow with ribbon for giving it a good look, and this I have sticked. Now just press it slowly downwards and from the top insert it inside. See, it will look like this. Now for the second step, you are required with any glitter foam sheet of any color and the punch machine, and take some punches out of the sheet. And remove its cap and just take out the punches. These are my before one punches. Now open the box and just fill it. See, it's looking very beautiful. Now just I hope you all like the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and please do give your feedback in the comment section below, and please comment down your request video, and don't forget to hit a bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my upcoming videos. So thank you, let's bye, and we will meet soon in the next video.